Hello everyone, and welcome to Dyzines, where innovations meets inspiration, luxury kitchen designs, and exceptional home decor ideas. Today we're unveiling the top 100 modular kitchen designs for 2025. If you're dreaming of transforming your kitchen, this video will give you all the kitchen design ideas you need. The kitchens of 2025 are all about innovation, luxury, and functionality. From modern kitchen island ideas to modular kitchen solutions, we have it all. Whether you're looking for ideas for a small apartment or a spacious home, these kitchen ideas are tailored to suit every space and every style. In this video, we'll dive deep into luxury kitchen designs that blend elegance with practicality. Imagine walking into a kitchen with stunning countertops, advanced smart technology, and luxurious finishes that make your space feel both beautiful and functional. The focus is on creating kitchens that are both aesthetic masterpieces and highly functional spaces. Luxury kitchen designs today are focusing on modern kitchen islands that are not just for meal prep, but also serve as multifunctional spaces for dining, socializing, and entertaining guests. We'll show you how modern kitchen island ideas are evolving to fit today's lifestyle, with sleek surfaces, smart appliances, and even built-in wine coolers for those who love to entertain. Modular kitchens have become a must-have in modern design, allowing homeowners to customize their kitchen layout. With modular kitchen systems, everything is designed to fit seamlessly into your space. Whether you want custom cabinetry, space-saving solutions, or integrated appliances, modular kitchens offer endless possibilities to create the perfect design for your home. Looking for DIY kitchen island projects? We've got plenty of ideas to help you create the perfect island without breaking the bank. DIY solutions allow you to design and build a kitchen island that fits your exact needs, whether you prefer rustic wood, sleek modern finishes, or something totally unique. In 2025, it's all about personalization. Kitchen design ideas are now reflecting the homeowner's personality through custom touches, from modular kitchen designs to tailored storage solutions. Whether you're interested in custom cabinetry or unique backsplashes, every element of your kitchen can be crafted to suit your specific style. But it's not just about the aesthetics. Today's kitchen ideas integrate smart technology to improve the functionality of your kitchen. From smart appliances to energy-efficient lighting and innovative faucets, technology is becoming an essential part of modern luxury kitchens. let's talk about materials. The luxury kitchens of 2025 are embracing high-end finishes that combine beauty and practicality. Think marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and luxurious hardware. The materials you choose will make your kitchen feel timeless and elegant. And this year, luxury kitchen designs are focusing on materials that create both warmth and sophistication. Interior design ideas are crucial in creating a cohesive look, and the latest trends show how different textures and finishes can bring your vision to life. From polished wood and matte metals to high-gloss countertops and stone backsplashes, the right material choices will transform your kitchen into a space that's as beautiful as it is functional. Ready to bring these amazing kitchen design ideas to life in your home? Whether you choose modern kitchen islands, modular kitchen layouts, or create your own DIY kitchen island, these ideas will elevate your space to new heights of luxury and functionality. Stay tuned for more inspiration as we dive deeper into each of these trends in our upcoming videos. Before you go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dyzines for more ideas on luxury kitchen designs, home decor, and interior design ideas. Don't miss our next video where we will take a closer look at how to combine modular kitchen layouts with luxurious design elements for a truly modern kitchen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.